Have you ever been insulted, criticized, or disrespected? Maybe in public? Maybe by someone close to you? What was your first reaction? Anger? Frustration? That burning urge to fire back and defend yourself? You're not alone. Most of us react this way. It's human. But let me ask you something deeper. What if you didn't have to react at all? What if no words, no judgments, no disrespect could touch you? What if you could become untouchable? I know it sounds impossible, but there's a timeless philosophy that holds the key: Stoicism. The ancient Stoics, people like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, believed that true power isn't about controlling the world. It's about mastering yourself, especially your emotions, especially anger. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to train your mind so that no one, not a stranger, not a boss, not even a loved one, can steal your peace. We're talking real inner strength, the kind that doesn't just survive chaos, but stays calm in the middle of it. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll have a roadmap to becoming emotionally bulletproof. Let's talk about something we all face: insults. Whether it's a snide comment, a passive-aggressive jab, or someone outright disrespecting you, it stings, right? But here's a powerful truth that completely shifted my mindset, and it comes straight from the Stoic philosopher Seneca. He said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Think about that. The real pain doesn't come from the words themselves. It comes from how we interpret them. What if I told you that someone's insult only has power if you give it power? Most of the time, when people lash out, it has nothing to do with you. It's about their own pain, their insecurities, their bad day. You're just the nearest target. Next time someone says something cruel, pause, take a breath, and in your mind tell yourself, this is their problem, not mine. It's not easy at first, but over time, this simple shift in perspective, it'll change everything. Because once you stop letting their words define your worth, you take your power back, and nothing feels better than that. There's a quote from the Stoic philosopher Epictetus that I come back to often. He said, "Some things are up to us and some things are not." It sounds simple, but it's life-changing. You see, most of us spend way too much energy trying to control things that are completely outside our hands. What people think of us, what they say, how they behave. We stress, we obsess, we try to change them. And when we can't, we suffer. But here's the mindset shift. You don't need to control everything. You only need to control one thing: your reaction. Someone cuts you off in traffic, not your control. But whether you get angry and ruin your whole day, that's on you. Next time someone says something that pushes your buttons, pause and ask yourself, is this within my control? If the answer is no, let it go. This simple question is like a reset button for your peace of mind, because freedom isn't about fixing the world. It's about mastering your own response to it. And that, my friend, is real power. Here's something that might sound strange at first. What if I told you that imagining the worst can actually bring you peace? The Stoics believed in something called negative visualization, and one of the greatest Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, practiced it every single morning. He'd remind himself, and today I will encounter people who are selfish, rude, and arrogant. Not to become cynical, but to be prepared. Think about it. When someone's rude to us out of the blue, we get angry because it catches us off guard. But if you've already accepted that this might happen, you're not surprised. You're not shaken. You're ready. Here's something you can try. Every morning, take 30 seconds. Tell yourself, today I might face disrespect. Someone might cut me off, speak harshly, or misunderstand me, but I will not let it control my peace. It's like emotional armor. You don't wait for the world to be kind. You train yourself to stay calm no matter what it throws at you. Here's something powerful. You don't have to respond to everything. In fact, one of the most disarming things you can do is nothing. See, when someone tries to provoke you, maybe they yell, insult, or mock, you know what they're expecting? A reaction. They want you angry. They want you upset. Because when you react, you give them your power. But when you respond with calm indifference, it throws them off completely. It's like this. Imagine a fire burning hot, but you don't give it any oxygen. What happens? It dies out. That's anger. Without your reaction, it has nowhere to go. So next time someone tries to push your buttons, try this instead. Smile. Say nothing. Walk away. That's not weakness. That's mastery. That's you saying, I choose peace. I choose power. The world doesn't need more arguments. It needs more people who know how to stay calm into